What is up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. Man, am I excited to record this video. Today we're going to walk through the very first Middberry plan that we have built and completed, okay? Not only is it our first ever Middberry, we've actually got a full superior wall basement to look at today. Now, what makes this Middberry plan so unique is, 9 times out of 10, these upstairs are gonna arrive unfinished and we have to finish them on site. Well, this Middberry plan actually shows up with a finished upstairs. So the day this shows up, you're obviously, you're gonna have that main level completed and you're already gonna have that upstairs finished and completed. Now, your basement is still gonna be unfinished like you're gonna see today, but the rest of this is completely finished the day it shows up. So basically what we do, I always talk about it's a 2-piece, it's a 3-piece. Well, this is actually a 4-piece. So you've got one finished unit here, one finished module there, and then we essentially stack 2 more finished modules on top of your traditional 2-piece modular plan, okay? And then down below, like I've already mentioned, you've got your full superior wall basement. I wanted to go around the other side real quick. Well, let's just go down the hill and then I'll walk back around. So, like I mentioned there at the beginning, we are on Baden Lake this morning. This house is waterfront. Just check out that view, absolutely beautiful. The Middberry plan is 1,200 square feet on the bottom level, and then you've got that 1,200, the exact same square footage up top. So you're looking at, in total, including the basement, we're almost at 3,700 square feet. And if you're just talking about the finished heated square footage, you're right at 2,500, okay? Beautiful covered porch. I'll get into that when we get up there. Composite decking, cedar shake up there in the gable. It's got a little vault in the ceiling. Really, really good stuff. And one last time, let's check out this view here at Baden Lake in Montgomery County, North Carolina. You're watching Homes with Shields, and we're gonna tour the Middberry plan on a full basement. More things to note about this exterior. It still consists of an optional / site-built front porch. So you could build a shed-style front porch coming off of this house, a gable-style front porch, just a stoop like you've got there. So those are still things that we kind of have to talk about and design. And then I wanted to show you over here, you've got your heat pumps. 2, obviously, that second one's gonna be running, servicing that second level. And then there's the staircase going to that finished porch. This plan is 28 feet deep and 46 feet across for a total of, like I said a while ago, 3,700 total square feet, 2,500 heated and cooled today. All right, let's get in and take a look. When you open the door, you're greeted by a nice little entryway. To your left is gonna be the staircase going to that finished second level. That's the master suite. And then if you would have went right off of that entry area, you've got your living space, which opens up into the dining and kitchen. A few things to note today. You are seeing the included 8-foot ceilings. You're seeing one of our 5 included flooring colors in the fawn. I will go ahead and tell you this customer did run this particular flooring throughout the entire home, even in the bedrooms, so you'll see that. This customer also included the 2-inch mini blinds, and as you can see, the exterior walls are built with 2x6 studs, not your everyday 2x4, which basically allows us to get more insulation and all that stuff. So just a better built home. So this plan starts as a 4-bedroom. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this customer customized it quite a bit. You're actually gonna see 6 bedrooms today. Yes, you heard that right, 6 bedrooms, and that's not even including the unfinished basement, which we will get to here in a second, okay? So this thing could sleep an absolute army. All right, so you got your dining area to the right, beautiful kitchen to the left, big island. You can see that water from the kitchen window, your atrium door there, so you got plenty of water views. To my right is a nice and handy half bath. on the main level for guests and whatnot. Right behind that is going to be your utility room. Got your washer and dryer hookup there. Your storage system above. This is a really good sized utility room. You've even got some storage back there, possibly a spot for a freezer there with your outlet. Good stuff. You probably will hear the smoke alarms at some point today, so bear with me on that. All right, so while we're here, let's go ahead and check out this porch. Covered porch, composite decking, black aluminum pickets, tons of nice finishes on this bad boy. Obviously, you've got the view of a lifetime there, looking over Baden Lake. Have your coffee out here. Good stuff. All right. You will notice this customer did not option in the granite or quartz tops. This is our included laminate Formica. This is where we're going to start you really with all the surfaces in your home. When you option in granite or quartz, you know, you could just do it in the kitchen, things like that. Beautiful stainless steel farmhouse sink here. A 50-50 drop-in would be included. We've got white porcelain sinks, we've got black sinks, we've got 50-50, 60-40, you name it, we got it. Here you're seeing the mounted microwave. You see a ton of range hoods in my videos. There's your mounted microwave. Full ceramic backsplash, our included white cabinets, under-mounted switches and outlets, keep the backsplash nice and clean. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the front door and we're gonna check out that master suite real quick. So to the left of that entrance area is that master bedroom, really good sized bedroom. That's one thing I was absolutely kind of just blown away with, really, to be honest. These bedrooms, there may be one or two that aren't just gigantic, but I mean, for the most part, all 6 of these rooms are really good size rooms. You'll notice in a few of the bedrooms, they did the double door entrance into those closets. That's usually going to be an option for the spare bedrooms and stuff. Just gives you a little bit more accessibility to that closet. Here's that master bath, shown with a 4x6, our medium shower. As you can see, this customer took out the secondary sink, did like a little makeup vanity area. Already got her secondary mirror there for her. Included vanity lights, all that stuff, okay? So this is that 4x6 ceramic shower. As far as add-ons here, that window would be extra, but all these finishes would be included. The can light, the rain head, the handheld, all of these are included finishes within the price of that 4x6 shower, all right? Now check this out. So off of the master bath, accessed by a pocket door, is an office space. So this is another example of how this customer kind of customized this plan. Great little office area. Still got your water view out there. And then that ties into the kitchen, which we've already went over. But I kind of wanted to start from the bedroom, not that office area. So let's head upstairs, knock out the upstairs real quick. Tons of bedrooms up here. Two full baths are up here as well. I kind of like how the staircase has like the turn there, not just a straight staircase. All right, so when you get up here to the landing, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, the 3rd bedroom, a linen closet, full bath, full bath. All right, so let's just hop right in. I'm gonna go from right to left. So here's that bedroom directly off my right. I won't spend too much time in here. Big double window. I think this is one of the only bedrooms without a closet. So I guess on paper this may be called an office, but I'm sure it's going to be used as a bedroom. All of the bedrooms come wired and braced for the fan, so this secondary switch doesn't really do anything, but it's there for your fan in the future. Got 2 bedrooms. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Okay, so again, no closet, but what I do like about this room that I noticed first thing, not only do you have the double window, but you've got the single. So 3 windows in this room, just tons of natural light. Again, with that double door entry into the closet. Oh, this is a really good sized closet here. All of our windows, although the blinds are extra, the window screens are included with our windows. Okay. Going down the hallway, linen closet, full bath, number 2. Just a good old tub shower combo. You could have done something different there, stand-up showers or whatever, but the tub shower kind of checks both boxes, right? Going down that hallway, bathroom 3. Oh yeah, and because this is a, 2 pieces, then 2 more finished pieces on top, you still have an attic, okay? So it's not like you lose an attic or anything. You still have an attic for storage, along with having this second level kind of already done from the manufacturer, okay? Just bedrooms everywhere you look. To my left, a really good sized bedroom again. Double window, double door entry into that closet. Hard to beat this. I can just see it now, on the lake. I mean, in the summertime, grandkids, friends, come on down, we got the space. And then the last of those bedrooms here on that second level, or actually third level, but second level on the modular side. Check it out. And then all right, so let's get down to the basement and check that out just to kind of remind you what we're doing here. This is the Middberry plan on a full superior wall basement. This particular plan was produced by Cavco Martinsville, formerly known as Nationwide. Carolina Custom Homes, we are your on-site builder, so we do the footing, the foundation, the setup, the delivery, the design process with you, porches, decks, wells, septics, you name it, we do it. Basically, you'll come in, tell us what you want, how you want it, where you want it, and then we are going to build it and make your dreams come true. So I'm gonna drop down my email right now until the end of this video. If you need anything, please email me directly with that email, shields@nccustom.modulars.com. All right, so we are now in that unfinished superior wall full basement. You've seen a few of these at this point. You can see your ductwork up there servicing that bottom level. Or I guess the middle level there. So a few things to note with this exterior. Number one, we're going to prep it for, we're going to install some windows, a set of doors there. Something unique about this particular basement is this customer has it framed out for a garage door for a golf cart or to store their jet skis in the winter, whatever. Really good thinking there. Going to be nice when all that gets done. There's all your heating and air lines there running over to that air handler, and there is your 50-gallon water heater. So as you can see, we try to put all this stuff down here in the basement when we can to save you floor space. These are precast walls. They are pre-insulated, pre-studded. You've actually got little conduit lines there. You can take that out, run your lines through those holes. Very, very nice, okay? All right, guys. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. I want to thank you for all the subscriptions and all the likes. You've made, you make this possible by supporting me. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, get with me with that email down there. Thank you guys. Take care.